Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on euro currency. So in general everything goes with the plan that we have discussed recently, so it seems that we stand somewhere at the point where weekly trade to the downside should start. At least we see some signs that appearing on the dollar index, on the euro currency. As I explained yesterday, that the process of the position taking when you're dealing with the higher time frame patterns on the monthly chart, on the weekly, it could be extended in time. Because market could spend lots of time around the level where supposedly the action could start, but to postpone the starting moment, and because it makes no impact on the picture on the higher time frame. So you could see just a single candle on the weekly chart, but on the lower time frames, on the daily and intraday charts, it might be rather extended consolidations or even fluctuations. So and that's well, just needs some experience and maybe some patience, which is always rewarded when you're patient. So currently we have a few new inputs in the overall situation. So first of all, take a look at euro currency has dropped yesterday. And if once again we take a look at the dollar index that we use as a major indicator right now for the Brent bottom, you could see what we have. This is a weekly chart. You can see it stands above the May CD. So today, last session of the week. If market will not drop too much down and close above supposedly 106, right, 105.60 on dollar index, then we will get the bullish grabber, and that will be a really strong argument in favor of the possible upward action here on the dollar index and correspondingly downward action on the euro currency. Besides, as I already talked about this, that if we'll get the grabber, it suggests taking out of the extreme points, so above the top, not just the 618 pullback on the weekly chart. So and the same story is equal to euro currency, so we will get not just the pullback to the 106, but supposedly market should taking out of these lows if dollar starts really accelerating. So that's what we have from the dollar index. Now if we'll take a look at the euro currency on the 4-day frame chart, we've got second grabber yesterday here. This grabber we discussed in our video, and as you can see, in general, market has dropped, and also you have make the bet on the position, taking position with the Brent bottom in the weekly chart right there. As we said that in general you could try to do this if you accept to take this trade, accept to take this actually risk that it carries. Because sometimes it's some kind of the trial and error process when you identify the points where theoretically the market could start action, but take some risk because it's, well, maybe not the point yet. And but in current situation you can see, yes indeed, is we have some downward action, really nice. So if you still have shorts, you probably could try to keep it with the break-even stop. In general, overall price performance here starts showing the shape of the triangle. Here is also could see for some additional indicators or just signs of the price behavior. So if, for instance, the classical approach, for example, if, for instance, market start bounce here, will not reach the upper border, stop here, start dropping back down, that's also be the bearish sign, and this will be attempted downward breakout. In general, when the market forming the triangle with a slope, top line and flat down line, bottom line, it usually breakouts in a direction of the top line. Not always, but that's just classical technical analysis tells that. So finally, on the hourly chart, if you'll take a look at this, here's what we have. That's our level that we have discussed, 107.10. This minus spike was here yesterday. In market, take a look for the third time in a row testing the confidence support on the hourly charts. So first test, minus bounce, second test, bounce, the third test already. So as more often market testing support, as weaker it becomes. So And currently, if you do not have the position but you decide to take it, just watch today for these two levels. So probably if everything that we just have said is correct and overall suggestion is also correct, that's probably market should start to print body somewhere from this area with a downward breakout. And it's probably we should not get action back to the top and break in this area. So probably market should stack somewhere around these fib levels, supposedly around 106.95, 107 area. It's confidence level. It seems as most probable where market could reach and then could turn down again. So just keep watching. That's as I said, for active traders who are ready for this. Conservative approach remains the same, so we do nothing. Now we get more chances that grabber on the dollar index will be confirmed. And we just need to sit in the hands until the end of the session and see what will happen. Once we will get it, that should be relatively safe to consider taking the short position on the beginning of the next week. So that's our 2 cents on euro currency. That's all for today. So see you. Bye bye.